Hello? We ordered some DoorDash. It's Chipotle.
No, we ordered Chipotle via DoorDash.
Oh, sure. Do we have utensils?
Yes, we were born with them.
Our hands? No, we're not. We're not eating amala. We're not eating with our hands. And as you can see, the hair is growing. My question for the Twitterverse was, how often does hair grow? Is it every day? Is it every day?
No, baby. The hair takes a day off every now and then.
Because this hair is growing.
Look, man, we didn't come here to look at your hair.
All right, open it, babe. You do the honors.
All right.
Look. Wow, how little did they give us? Chipotle, what is up with that?
That's not a very...
That's not a very nice portion.
That's not a very fair chicken to rest of the stuff ratio, but... I don't know.
DoorDashers can't be choosers. Did they not put the cheese sauce in here?
Can you not be corny? I mean, it's lukewarm at best.
Next time we don't DoorDash. Where's the cheese sauce? It's not in here.
Yeah, because I didn't ask for it. You told me to order.
I did.
All right. It's good, I guess. Should be a lot better if it was hot.
Or if it was a steak. I like the steak. I feel like it's too sweet.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
Honey.
6 out of 10? 6? I give it a 6.
Yeah. It's a little too sweet for me.
Is it because I'm all the sweet that you need?
Honey, you're not Chipotle.
Stop the video, please. God.